everybody, it's Wendy, and today we have the Magical Mystery Bead Box for January 2023. And we have a promotion. So the Magical Mystery Bead Box, it says spread the magic. Sign up for a 3-month plan by February 1st, and the first box is free. $45 value. No code needed. February boxes ship by 2/17. So spread the word and the love that if you sign up for a 3-month subscription to the Magical Mystery Bead Box, your first box is free. So that's $45 off, guys. That's pretty impressive. And our encouraging word for today is aspire to inspire. So I'm going to inspire you all to want to sign up for this box. When we look in this one, you're going to be, yeah, I've already peeked at it. Just peeked at it. I didn't take it out, but it looks very interesting. So this is it. Magical Mystery Book Club. How cool is this? So we have Charlotte's Web, Little Women, Frankenstein, Anne of Green Gables, and Pride and Prejudice. I've read every one of those. Love them all. Ooh, Murder on the Orient Express is in here too. I didn't see that one. Was it out there? No. Okay, that one too. That's a good one. I've seen that movie and read the book on, well, I've seen the movie and read the book on most of them. But, all right. So this is the Magical Mystery Bead Box for January 2023, and let's check it out. So let me move this back a little bit. So first up, we have this cute little organza baggie, and it looks like it has book charms in it. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Oh my goodness, okay. These are absolutely adorable. So Little Women by Louisa May Alcott. Oh, that's so cute. And they open. Look at this. I think they do. Oh, they do. They're lockets. Oh, these are precious. I love them. So we have Little Women. We have Charlotte's Web. Wow. We have, is this one Pride and Prejudice? Yeah. Pride and Prejudice. We have Anne of Green Gables. Frankenstein. It's one of my favorites. And Murder on the Orient Express by Agatha Christie. Oh, wow. These are so cute. Oh, my goodness. These would be so cute in a necklace, just like hanging all of them. Wouldn't that be adorable if you're like a book person for sure? Wow, those are so cute. A librarian. If you have a librarian friend, oh, my goodness. What a great gift. These are so cute. I can't get over them. I don't want to quit looking at them. They're so cute. Okay, let's lay them aside. Move on, Wendy, move on. Okay, then we have some cord here. So this looks like literature cord, it says. Literature cord, what? All right, so it says, oh, it says all kinds of things. What does it say? Adjective, pleasing the senses or mind aesthetically, disturbance, tranquility, beautiful. Okay, how cool. Literature cord. So this is a very thick, I don't know what it is. Like size-wise, I mean. Oh, this is cool though. Wow, this is really cool. I'm interested to see what people do with this. I really, really am. That's just really cool. It's got the words on it. See them? Really neat. Okay. Then we have a bunch of bead mixes. So we've got Anne of Green Gables bead mix. It says true friends are always together in spirit. Anne Shirley is the one that said that. Let's open this up. Oh, pretty, 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 pretty. Look at these beautiful crystals. My goodness. Potomac, or goodness gracious. Jesse James beads. Goodness, they always have the most beautiful, beautiful crystals. Look at these. Look how pretty. Wow. We've got some metals in here. We've got some pretty greens. Got these beautiful little flower charms. Very nice. Okay, so here we have the Murder on the Orient Express bead mix. This is I Believe in Loyalty to One's Friends and One's Family. And that is Princess Dragonmeroff. Look how pretty. So we have some beautiful coin pearls, it looks like. Those are gorgeous. We have some really pretty hearts, crystal hearts. Okay. We have some flowers that are center drilled. That camera has trouble focusing when there's more than one thing on the screen, unfortunately. I don't know what the deal is. Pretty little filigree beads here. Some crystals, a couple more flower charms, some bead caps and metals, and some ceramic looking beads. I love these little metal spacers. They're so versatile. Love using them. And that is the Murder on the Orient Express bead mix. Okay. Love these containers they come in too. I reuse these. When these beads are gone, I always keep these. This is Mrs. March from Little Women, and it says there is always light behind the clouds. Ooh, look how pretty. Pretty and pink and feminine. Oh, I love these colors together. This is beautiful. So we've got some pearls, green, like really pretty light mint green pearls. Some really, really light pinks and greens and these crystal flowers. Those are really pretty. And they have like a gold. Yeah, can you see that? That gold finish on them? They're beautiful. These are cool. They're like hourglass shaped, sort of. And they're kind of pink and cream. They're beautiful. Oh, these little crystal flower drops. Wow, they're AB on the end. Those are so pretty. Look at those. So pretty. And we've got some ceramic beads, some cubes, some bead caps, and filigree. Wow, love them. So pretty. And this is the Little Women bead mix. Then we have from Pride and Prejudice. There's nothing so bad as parting with one's friends. That's Mrs. Bennet from Pride and Prejudice. Ooh, these colors are pretty too. So we have these little flower tassels. Whoops. So cute. I love this color. It's periwinkle. So pretty. One of my favorite colors in the whole world. Periwinkle. Beautiful. We've got some rondelles. Oh, these are the rondelles with the luster finish. Look at that. Can you see that luster finish on them? They're really sparkly. We've got some lava beads. Some pretty large hole ceramic beads. Bead caps in bronze and silver. And these really tiny little faceted beryl beads. So pretty, pretty, pretty. I like these colors right here. This is the Pride and Prejudice bead mix. Okay. And then we have Charlotte's Web. You have been my friend. That in itself is a tremendous thing. And that was Charlotte from Charlotte's Web. Oh, wow. I like these colors. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Okay, so look at these beautiful teal crystal marquee shaped beautiful drops. Those are so pretty. We've got those. We've got some table cut in here. I'm assuming these are lapis. I'm pretty sure they are. They feel like it for sure. And some gorgeous gold metals, beads, caps. Oh, these pretty dark. I can't tell if they're blue or purple. They almost look purple. Bicones. Yeah, this is a gorgeous mix right here. This is the Charlotte's Web mix. That's really pretty. Then we have Beware, for I am fearless and therefore powerful, and that's Frankenstein's monster. Love this one. Frankenstein. Ooh, look at that. Those are pretty. My, those are pretty. Come on, focus, camera. Oh, those are pretty. Wow. Earrings. And then we have just a bunch of, what is that? Don't know what that is right there. I don't know if that's a bead that got crushed or what that was. Okay. We have some shell in here. Really pretty shell. Some large hole beads. Oh, those are cool. This one's got a lot of mint green in it. These are just stunning. Some really cool filigree metal beads. Do they say something on them? I can't tell. Looks like they say something in like hieroglyphics or something. We have another gemstone here. This looks to be mahogany obsidian. Not positive, but looks like it. And then some beautiful metals and some black drops. Really pretty. So this is the Frankenstein's monster. Frankenstein mix. So cool. All right. And then we have some ribbon ends. So these will be really good for this cord. Got a few of those. And we have some paperclip chain. Oh, I love it. Paperclip chain with the book. Yeah, I get it. So cute. And this is pretty, almost by itself. Like, as a wrap bracelet just by itself, I like it. It's so cool. But no, we're going to do more with it than that. But isn't that cool? Okay, so, wow, the Jessie James Magical Mystery Bead Box for the month of January. I have to say, oh, I think I have an idea for this. I'll have to add in some charms. We'll see. We'll see if that idea pans out or not. But here it is. So very, very cool Magical Mystery Bead Box for the month of January. And we have this wonderful little deal here. So if you sign up for the 3-month plan by February 1st, you get your first box free. So check that out for sure, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.